Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about decision making. Decision making is a judgmental process. It is when we select one alternative from so many options that we have. So it is process resulting in the selection of a course of action. When trying to make a good decision, a person must weigh the positives and negatives of each point and consider all the alternatives. Now we have to weigh down the all the possibilities. We have north, south, east, west. Which way do we take? Now we have to weigh down the positives, the profit, the loss, the problems, the mm, ease in our ways, and on the basis of that, we come to one conclusion. We decide that we have to choose this way. So that is basically decision making. It is the judgmental process. So here we have the whole process. First of all, we have to define and analyze the problem. What is your problem? And for that problem, you have to develop some solutions, alternative solutions. So there can be more than one alternatives, more than one solutions to your problem. Now you have to list them out. Now, after having those alternatives, you have to evaluate them. You have to evaluate each one of them. Evaluation will be there that you do with the based on the experience and experiments. You can consider your past experiences, and you can also conduct some experiments also, small experiments also on those alternatives, and on the basis of that you have to select the best one. You have to select the best solution for your problem, and then you have to implement the decision. And the process doesn't end there. You have to follow up if that solution is actually helping your problem out. If yes, if you know, then you have to again define and analyze the problem. So it is a continuous process. The decision making process is a continuous process, and it is here you can see five-step process. First of all, define your problem, develop alternatives. You have to develop all the alternatives, all the possible alternatives, then evaluate them, weigh down them, what are the positives, what are the negatives of each one them, and based on your experience and few experiments that you can conduct, you have to select the best one out and then implement that and follow up. So that is the whole process of decision making. Decision making, it is basically implying the choice. You have to choose one. It is a continuous activity. It doesn't end there. After implementation, you have to take some follow-ups also, and then further decisions are to be taken out, has to be taken out. It's an intellectual activity, it's a cognitive decision, it's an intellectual activity. It is based on reliable information and feedback. You have to collect the information that is reliable and feedback you need to make decisions. And it is a goal oriented process. You have to achieve some goals, and it is a mean, not the end. So decision making is a means, not the end in solving the problem. There are group decision making techniques also, in which a number of persons are assigned to take decisions to avoid risk. You are not deciding individually, you are deciding in a group. So there are two types of group decision making. One is brainstorming, that is, you bring in as many ideas that you can. People are people sit together on a table, and one person is there that will put on the problem, and so many people will offer the solutions for the problem, and each solution is evaluated, and on the last point on which everyone agrees, each solution is evaluated. Each solution has the pros and cons that are offered by every person, and the best idea um, that is accepted by all, that is supported by all, is taken out. So that is decision making, the brainstorming, and the Delphi technique. It is also similar. So many people are involved in decision making, but it has to be anonymous. They do not know about each other. There's one person who through mails send out the problems to every person, and send they send feedback, they send solutions, and on every solution the anonymous feedback is taken out, and the panelist that is there decides the best idea. So people do not know about each other. They are anonymously agreeing upon the one solution out of so many that are offered. So that is group decision making techniques, brainstorming and Delphi techniques. So that is about group decision making and group decision making. I hope you understand. I hope you liked it. Thank you. Have a great day.